Well, hello and welcome. This is what we're going to be building. It's a garage and workshop done in the style of a barn. If you look to the right hand side, the whole thing with an arch is going to be old style stone, and everything to the left is going to be old oak trusses, that type of stuff. So a lot of work to be done. Big problem though is where I'm building it. This is the footprint of what you've just seen roughly. And the thing about this plot is there's a lot of slopes. So from the right, we've got the driveway at the highest spot. And then we've got this bank that you can clearly see with the snow on it, which drops down. In theory, that's not entirely in the way of where I'm going to build, but it does nudge in. However, the slopes don't stop there. So it then continues to fall down from right to left all the way across there. And then there's a further drop of about getting on for a metre, which is down to a public footpath. Note the rhododendron to the right there. You'll see that in a second, by the way. So all in all, there's over a 2 metre drop, and that's what we're going to have to dig down. So this is the overhead, and you can see here where we were. We're building in the middle of this between the footpath and the driveway. There's that rhododendron there that we pointed out before. So to work out how to start, the first thing I had to do was dig a hole. I dug this by hand, by the way. It took quite a while. And this shows you the depth at which there is a sandbank. So this sandbank is running all the way underneath, and that is our target for what we need to get concrete onto. And if you just let the contrast sort itself out, you can see we are a shade under 2 metres at this point. So there's some major excavations to be done. Also, we've got a load of trees. Big pine there. We've got a couple of ashes that aren't too serious. And then a bunch of shrubs, laurel, holly, not too big. Now, I'm not going to be felling anything myself, although I'm doing the build myself, and I'm a DIYer and I'm learning on the job. There's no way I'm cutting down trees, certainly not of the sort of size that you're seeing here. So that's the end of part 1. That's what we're building. I hope this section wasn't too long, but in the next videos, we've got some real digger action coming. We'll have the tree surgeons in to clear the site, and I've got to figure out how do you build walls out of stone. If you could like the video, I'd really appreciate it. And if you subscribe, then you'll see all the follow-up videos pop up on your feed. See you next time.